Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm maiden flighting my XL7. This is the iFlight XL7. This is my long range 7-inch flyer. First time I've ever built something this big. So I'm going to test it out today and see how it is. Let me go over it a little bit with you. So for a flight controller, I'm using the Matek F405 CTR. I've got a RDQ GPS, the little mini one. I'm using a Foxeer Predator camera as always. And also for the first time I am flying the Xing. These are the iFlight, and these are the 2208 1800 kV motors. So these are meant for like long range. And these are the 7-inch props by DalProp. These are the, what are they? The 7056 props. They're freaking huge. AKK VTX, Foxeer antenna, and GoPro, of course, and R9 long-range receiver. So we're going to take it out. We're going to see how it does. Now, keep in mind, this is a long-range flyer. This is meant to go slow and cruising because a couple weeks ago when I did that little bit of mountain mid-range, I absolutely fell in love, and I decided I'm building a long-range. So this is going to be the test. We'll see how it does. I'm not going to send it out really far. I just want to see how it does initially. So hope you enjoy the footage. Alright guys, so that was my maiden flight of the iFlight XL7. I did have some video issues, so I'm not sure if it is that antenna or it could be the VTX. Maybe I have it powered up too high, I don't know. So I'll be fidgeting with that and working on that, but I'll definitely make some more videos. Otherwise, flew absolutely smooth, phenomenal, absolutely loved it. So I'm liking it. I just got to figure out the video issue. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in. As always, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.